Then what happens? This carbon and hydrogen can be connected or joined by a single bond or single dash. Okay? Then this carbon and hydrogen, this carbon and hydrogen, this carbon and hydrogen. We know that the valency of carbon is 4. Valency is 4. So this is methane. So we can write this structure in splitting form. Every atom can be written separately or attached by a bond. This is called the structural formula. So structural formula of an organic compound represents a sequence in which atoms of every element is attached to one another in a bond. Suppose ethane is there. Suppose now ethane. So ethane has molecular formula C2H6. We know that alkane has, this is from the alkane family. There will be a separate chapter on the alkane. Okay. Now you just remember the alkane molecular formula. Alkane molecular formula is CnH2n plus 2. CnH2n plus 2. Okay. Now ethane is there. Ethane contains how many carbon atoms? 2 carbon atoms. Okay. So write the 2 carbon atoms. Between 2 carbon atoms, write down a single bond or single dash. Okay. So 2 carbons are there. Then valence of carbon is 4. Correct? Valence of carbon is 4. So 1 bond, 2 bond, third bond, fourth bond. Okay. So 4 bonds are there because valence of carbon is 4. Then second carbon, valence of carbon is 4. 1, 2, 3, and this bond is common between these 2 carbon atoms. This is common bond between the 2 carbon atoms. Okay. Then write down the hydrogens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So total number of carbon atoms, how much? 2. Hydrogens 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this is called as ethane, second member of the alkane family. If we put here 2, then C2, H, 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So C2H6, C2, and total number of hydrogens are 6 there. 6. Okay. So this is ethane. Okay. Then next one, suppose propane. Propane contains 3 carbon atoms. Okay. 3 carbon atoms. So if we put here the number of carbon atoms, 3, C3, then H, 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. So C3, H, 8. Okay. Carbon 3, C3. Number of carbon atoms 3. Put here value of N is 3. N means number of carbon atoms. Number of carbon atom. N means number of carbon atom. Okay. If C3 is there, then 3 to 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 hydrogens are there. Okay. So first write down 3 carbon atom in a straight chain manner, attached to one another in a sequence. Write down in a sequence. So structural formula is a sequence in which the atoms of various elements are attached to one another in a molecule. So 3 carbons are there. Then balance 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Second carbon, middle one. Okay. 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, common between these two, okay? Then 1, or last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, correct? Then write down the hydrogens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hydrogens are 8. Okay, very simple. This is called as propane. This is called as propane. Correct? Suppose N-butane is there. N-butane, normal butane. Okay. म्हणजे नाव लिहितोय मी मिथेन, इथेन, प्रोपेन, एन ब्युटेन याचा अजिबात टेन्शन घेऊ नका तुम्ही, तुम्हाला नंतर आहे. Just you have to concentrate on how to write down the structural formula. How to write down. Suppose N-butane has the molecular formula. Now total number of carbon atoms are 4. Okay. So C4. Then H 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. C4H10. C4H10. Okay. So C4H10 is there. Then write down 4 carbon atoms in a straight chain. 1, 2, 3, then 4. Write down the 4 carbon atom in a straight chain manner. Okay? In a straight chain manner. Write down the 4 carbon atoms. 4 carbon atoms. Then 1 bond, 2 bond, 3rd bond, 4th bond. Balance of carbon is 4. Then 1, 2, then 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? Then write down the hydrogens. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 8. So this is called as the N-butane. This is N-butane. This is normal butane. Straight chain is there. All the carbon atoms are attached to one another in a sequence. So in structural formula, the sequence is there. And in that sequence, the atoms of various elements. This is atom of carbon, carbon atom. This is carbon atom. This is hydrogen atom from hydrogen element. This is carbon atom from carbon element. Okay. So this sequence is there. In that sequence, the atoms of various elements are attached to one another in a molecule. Attached to one another in a molecule. So this is called as the structural formula, which is also called as dash formula. Also called as dash formula. So in exam there will be a question. Write down the dash formula, or write down the structural formula of N-butane, of propane, of ethane, like that. Then you have to represent the every atom with a bond. Every atom with a bond. This is a very simple thing. Write down every atom with a bond. Represent every atom with a bond. That is the structural formula. So structural formula of an organic compound is the sequence in which the atoms of various elements are attached to one another in a molecule. Atoms of various elements are attached to one another in a molecule. So that will be a sequence of the carbon. We say that sequence of carbon is there, and in that the atoms of various elements are attached to one another in a molecule. Okay, I think all of you understood what is the structural formula or what is the dash formula. Okay, then suppose another example. If anybody don't know what will be the structural formula, suppose now double or triple bonded compound. Okay, suppose ethylene. This is alkene family. Alkene CnH2n. This is called as, this is general molecular formula of any alkene. Alkene. Okay. This is alkene. Then ethylene. How many, suppose number of carbon atoms are 2, C2, then H2 into 2, 4. Okay. So suppose 2 carbons are there, then double, means 4 hydrogens are there. If 3 carbons are there, 6 hydrogens are there, like that. This is called as ethylene, or simply simple name ethene. Ethene. Okay. So molecular formula C2H4. C2H4. So write down the 2 carbon atom. These are 2 carbon atom. Then hydrogens. 4 hydrogens are there only. Only 4. Now this is attached to 3 hydrogen. This is attached to 3 hydrogen. But hydrogens are 4. 2 hydrogens less than the alkane. So this is the double bonded compound. So if double dash is there, then it is called as a double bond. It is called as double bond. So double bond is present between the 2 carbon. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Then write down the hydrogens. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is called as ethene. This is from the alkene family. This is the carbon-carbon double bonded compound. Carbon-carbon double bonded compound is there. This is from the alkene family. This is from the alkene family. Now suppose the triply bonded compound. Triply bonded compound, suppose. Triply bonded compound, suppose acetylene. Intent acetylene is there. Okay. So its molecular formula is C2H2. C2H2. Okay. So this is from the alkyne family. Alkyne family. Family is alkyne. And alkyne has the general molecular formula. Alkyne family. CnH2 and -2 from alkyne family. CnH2 and -2. If the number of carbon atoms are 1, then C1, H2 into 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So this compound is not exist. Okay, because hydrogens are 0. Okay. Then if number of carbon atoms are 2, then it is C2. Correct? C2. Then what is the number of hydrogen? 2 into n means 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 2. It is 2. C2H2. Now this is alkyne family. Suppose 2 carbons are there. So write down in straight chain 2 carbon atoms. Okay. Then hydrogens are 2. One hydrogen attached here. One hydrogen attached here. Okay. But the valency of carbon is 4. Valency of carbon is 4. So 1, 2. Okay. Then 3, 4. So this is triply bonded compound. Now this one, for this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So valency of carbon is 4. Carbon is tetravalent. Valency of carbon is 4. We know that. Valency of carbon is 4. So this is the structural formula. So how to write this structural formula? Write down the carbon atom in a sequence in a straight chain manner. Then write down the every atom with bond. Write down every atom with bond. Okay. Every atom with bond. Write down every atom with bond. Bond पाहिजेच त्याच्यासोबत. Okay. हे सगळं बॉन्डचं स्ट्रक्चर आहे. हे सगळं डॅशचं स्ट्रक्चर आहे. That's why it is called a dash formula, or it is also called a structural formula. It's called a structural formula. How to write down the structural formula? So structural formula of an organic compound is the sequence in which the atoms of various elements are attached to one another in a molecule. So if single dash is present, then it is called a single bond. If double dash is present, it is called as double bond. If triple dash is present, it is called as triple dash. Okay. So this is methane, CH4. This is ethane, C2H6. This is propane, C3H8. This is ethene, alkene family, C2H4. So double bonded compound is there. Then this is acetylene, C2H2. C2H2. Acetylene, or it's another name is also there. It is called as ethyne. Ethyne. Wine suffix is there from alkyne family. Ethyne, or commercial name acetylene. Oh, acetylene flame is there. We know that acetylene flame is used for cutting and welding of metals. Oxyacetylene flame. Oxygen gas and acetylene gas gets mixed, and it can be used to cut or to weld the metals. Okay. This is N-butane. Normal straight chain, 4 carbon atoms are arranged in a straight chain manner. That's why it is called as the N. N means normal. Normal. Oh, 4 carbons are there. Write down the 10 hydrogens like this. Okay. So this is all about the structural formula. Okay. Okay. So anybody has any doubts, then please ask me. My WhatsApp number is there. Okay. 9763598670. You can call me or you can message me. Okay. So this is structural formula, or which is also called the dash formula. Then second one, to write the structural representation of organic molecule. Second one, which is called as the electron dot formula. So second one, electron dot structure. So electron dot structure, which is also called a Lewis structure or Lewis dot. Lewis structure or Lewis dot structure, because the Lewis has discovered this type of structure. Now in this case, electron dot structure or Lewis structure or Lewis dot structure we say that. Okay, or just Lewis structure is also correct. So in electron dot structure, you can put the electrons around the atoms. You can put electrons around the atom. You can write the electrons around the atom. We know that when the two, suppose this is carbon, and this is a single bond between them, then each and every single bond means the contribution of 2 electrons are there between the two carbons. Okay. So this is the way. We know that a single bond or covalent bond is formed by the equal sharing of electrons between the two atoms. So this is the equal sharing is there. Suppose the carbon is there. This is carbon. And when this carbon attached to 4 hydrogens in methane molecule. Okay. Like this is called as methane structure. Okay. Then you don't write the bonds. In this structure, you don't write the bonds. So you can write only electron. An electron can be indicated in the forms of dots. Okay. That's why it is called as electron dot structure. Or it is also called a Lewis dot structure. Okay. Suppose methane is there. Methane. CH4 is the molecular form. Then you have to write the first, suppose structural formula. What is the structural formula of methane? CH4, 1 carbon is there, then attached to 4 hydrogens like this. Then you have to write now. You have to write the electron dot structure. So don't write the bonds. We know that the two dots contributes one single covalent bond. Two dots of two atoms gives one covalent bond, one single bond. Okay, so its electron dot structure now of methane, electron dot structure. Right here carbon, right here hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Don't write the bonds. Write the bonds or write the bonds in terms of electrons. Okay, every single electron, suppose this hydrogen, single electron. This carbon, carbon we know that 4 electrons are there around it. Valence is 4, so write here 4 electrons of carbon. Okay, 4 electrons of carbon in the form of dots. Okay, then hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic number is 1. It contains single electron. So like this. Single electron of this hydrogen, single electron of this hydrogen, single electron of this hydrogen. Okay, so this is electron dot structure. Very simple. खूप सिंपल आहे की नाही? हे काय करतो आपण? बॉन्ड्स लिहित नाही. बॉन्ड्स लिहित नाही. काय लिहितो मग? इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लिहितो. कशाच्या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहितो? डॉट्सच्या फॉर्म. राइट ओनली डॉट्स. ओके, डॉट्सच्या फॉर्म मध्ये आपल्याला ते लिहायचं. सो टू डॉट्स when drawn between the two atoms, these are the two bonds is drawn between the two atoms, gives one single covalent bond like this. Other bond is this bond is formed by contribution of two electrons. दोन इलेक्ट्रॉन मिळून एक बॉन्ड तयार होतो. एक इलेक्ट्रॉन कुणाचा? हायड्रोजनचा. एक इलेक्ट्रॉन कुणाचा? कार्बनचा. जेव्हा हे अटॅच होतील तेव्हा सिंगल कोव्हॅलेंट बॉन्ड तयार. Then single covalent bond is formed. Okay, like this. So methane electron dot structure is like this. Methane is like this. Suppose third one, propane is there. Propane. तुम्हाला डायरेक्टली जर लिहिता येत नसेल इलेक्ट्रॉन डॉट स्ट्रक्चर, then first write down the structural formula and then write down the electron dot structure. Okay, it's also correct. तुम्हाला येत नसेल तर तुम्ही काय करायचं? पहिल्यांदा स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्म्युला ड्रॉ करून घ्यायचा. केला की काय करायचं? बॉन्ड काढायचे नाही. जिथे बॉन्ड दिसतं तिथे टू इलेक्ट्रॉन्स टाकायचे. टू इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. वन इलेक्ट्रॉन कुणाचा आहे? हायड्रोजनचा. एक इलेक्ट्रॉन कुणाचा आहे? कार्बनचा. यांच्या दोघांच्या दोन इलेक्ट्रॉन मिळून हा बॉन्ड तयार झालेला आहे की नाही? बॉन्ड जो आहे, बॉन्ड फॉर्म कसा होतो? सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन जे आहे तो एका ऍटमचा सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन दुसऱ्या ऍटमचा सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन जेव्हा कंबाईन होतात तेव्हा एक सिंगल कोव्हॅलेंट बॉन्ड बनत असतो. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे जे सिंगल म्हणजे जे अनपेअर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स असतात, जे सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन्स असतात, कार्बनकडे सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन्स किती आहे? 4 आहे. म्हणून तो 4 बॉन्ड फॉर्म करतो की नाही? हायड्रोजनचा ऍटॉमिक नंबर 1 आहे, त्याच्याकडे एक इलेक्ट्रॉन आहे, तो अनपेअर्डच आहे म्हणजे एकच आहे म्हणजे. ओके, तो बॉन्ड किती तयार करतो? 1. हायड्रोजन बॉन्ड किती तयार केला? 1. कार्बन बॉन्ड किती तयार केले? 4. 4. करेक्ट? Okay, so this is now propane. Write down the propane structure. Propane 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 3. Propane is 3. Okay, then write down the hydrogens. You know that C3H8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct? 8. So try to write the electron dot structure. Try to write the electron dot structure of propane. Now how to write? Yes. is okay. Suppose 3 carbons are there. Okay, then write down the hydrogens. 3 hydrogens. 1, 2, 3. Middle 2 hydrogens are attached like this. Okay, then last one 3 hydrogens are attached. Okay. Then write down the electrons of carbon by dots. Suppose valence of carbon is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? In this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then last one 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So these are the electrons of carbon. Okay. Can be shown by black dots. Okay. Black dots दिला करो तुम्हाला समजण्यासाठी. Then hydrogen's electrons I can show by a red dot. So between every two atoms there should be two electrons. There should be two electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. प्रत्येक दोन atoms मध्ये दोन इलेक्ट्रॉन दिसतात. कधी ते ह्या कार्बनचा एक इलेक्ट्रॉन असेल, कधी एक कार्बनचा एक हायड्रोजनचा इलेक्ट्रॉन असेल. Okay, this is called an electron dot structure. This is called as electron dot structure. So don't write the bonds or dash. Okay, this is the structural formula. Structural formula. This is the structural formula. And this one is called as the electron dot structure. This is electron dot structure. Okay, very simple. So take down the another example, sirs. Suppose next one propane is there. Suppose another compound, double bonded compound. Ethene is there. Ethene. Ethene is there. Formula is C2 then H4. C2H. Okay. Carbons are 2, hydrogens are 4. So this is a doubly bonded compound. This is a doubly bonded compound. Okay. Then how to write this doubly bonded compound? Is कसं लिहाल तुम्ही 2 carbons. Okay. Then 4 hydrogens. 4 hydrogens है 2 carbons है. Each carbon carries 2 hydrogens. 2 hydrogens लिहून टाकायचे. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. Then write down the carbon. Valence is 4. 1, 2, 3. अजून एक करायचं आहे. तर मध्येच द्यायचं 2. 1, 1. And here 1. Okay. So these are the electrons of carbon shown by black colored dots. Okay. Then electrons of hydrogen shown by red dots. 1, 2. Okay. Then 3. Then 4. 4 hydrogens are. Okay. So between two carbon there is a double bond. Double bond आहे. असा असेल. मग एक बॉन्ड जर असेल तर एक इलेक्ट्रॉन पेअर येईल दोघांमध्ये. ओके. अनदर बॉन्ड अनदर इलेक्ट्रॉन पेअर इज देयर. ओके. लक्षात येतंय की काय आहे ते. ठीक आहे. की काय केलं आपण कार्बनचे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स डबल बॉन्ड होता म्हणून याचा एक इलेक्ट्रॉन याचा एक इलेक्ट्रॉन झाला. खाली पुन्हा अजून एक याचा एक इलेक्ट्रॉन दिला. म्हणजे त्यांच्यामध्ये डबल बॉन्ड आहे म्हणून. ट्रिपल बॉन्ड असतं तर इकडे पण 3 आणि इकडे पण 3 आले असते. आणि स्ट्रक्चर पण आपण लगेच घेऊ. Okay, suppose this is ethene, then acetylene, acetylene. Molecular formula is C2H2. C2H2. So write two carbons. Write two carbons. One carbon and second carbon. Okay. Then two hydrogens. One, two hydrogens and two carbons. Okay. प्रत्येकाला एक एक घेऊ. एक ट्रिपल बॉन्ड आहे त्याच्यामध्ये. पहिल्यांदा मी असं स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्म्युला काढतो आहे. मला समज. दिस इज स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्म्युला ऑफ acetylene. ठीक आहे. आता काय करू, या कार्बन आणि हायड्रोजनच्या मध्ये काय, एक सिंगल बॉन्ड. सिंगल बॉन्ड म्हणजे एक या कार्बनचा एक इलेक्ट्रॉन आणि त्या हायड्रोजनचा सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन मिळून हा बॉन्ड तयार होतो. Okay, then here the bond is there between carbon and hydrogen. Hydrogen electron, single electron. Carbon single electron form a single covalent bond. Correct? Then triple bond is there. Suppose this is first bond. First bond. Electron of carbon, this carbon and electron of this carbon. दोन कार्बन आहे शेजारी. एका कार्बनचा एक इलेक्ट्रॉन, दुसऱ्या कार्बनचा एक इलेक्ट्रॉन. मिडल बॉन्ड, इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑफ दिस लेफ्ट साइड कार्बन, इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑफ दिस राइट साइड कार्बन. करेक्ट? Then triple bond, electron of this carbon and electron of right side carbon. Okay, like this. So this is the way to write down the electron dot structure. It is also called as Lewis dot structure. Very simple thing is. Okay. So electron dot structure, what you have to remember? First thing, don't write the bonds. Don't write bonds. हे स्ट्रक्चर आहे बघ. दिस इज स्ट्रक्चर. मी काय केलंय त्याच्यापासून हे स्ट्रक्चर मी तयार. इलेक्ट्रॉन डॉट स्ट्रक्चर. इथे तुम्हाला कुठेही तुम्हाला इथे बॉन्ड दिसतोय का? नाही. बॉन्डच्या ऐवजी काय दिसतंय? इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दिसतात. ते कोणत्या फॉर्म मध्ये दाखवले? डॉट्स. 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 ओके. कार्बन 1 2 3 4 चार इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. कार्बनची व्हॅलेन्सी 4 आहे. चार डॉट्स मी काढले. हायड्रोजनचा एक इलेक्ट्रॉन, त्या दोघांचं मिळून एक बॉन्ड तयार झालाय पाहिजे. इकडे कार्बन हायड्रोजन, कार्बनचं सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन, हायड्रोजनचं सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन मिळून एक सिंगल कोव्हॅलेंट बॉन्ड बनलाय.